Good afternoon, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you Thursday afternoon, August 28th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, the S&P with all-time highs today. SPX over 6,500 for the first time. Got up to 6,508. SPY with a new all-time high. Just missed 650, 649.48. Out of our three indices that we follow, the only time frames that aren't up is NQ's weekly, which is still balanced, and Righty's monthly, which is balanced, but with very, very good odds of having an outside month up after tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last day of the trading month. Righty goes out with a 10-wide point of control and an afternoon pullback in H. Their daily is up. NQ goes out with just an afternoon pullback low in H. Their daily is up. However, they failed a couple of times to try to hold trend, at least three. ES goes out with a double distribution day. They held two very small sets of single prints and an afternoon pullback in H. Their all-time high is finally in the regular trading hours as of right now, as is NQ. NQ's volume was pretty much average. ES is going to be below. I mean, again, I go by triple Qs and SPY. So Q's volume is actually right on target, 45 million, a little bit above actually. SPY is at 58 million. They're 11 million light. So all-time high with light volume, but at least it's not in the 20s or 30s. After a period which had some tremendous chop in NQ, we finally got some direction. Had a good day, the majority of it in the morning. Missed a couple of trades too. I took a long to get the overnight high in NQ. Did well on that. Couple of ebb and flow trades, but then when it pulled back and got below the opening 144, I shorted the 144 and did okay. So I had a good A period. B period, I also shorted against the 144. But then once it got above that and the opening, I said the short game is over for now, right? I was long in early in ES, in NQ and A. That game ended. I turned short against the 144. And then the short game ended also in B. C period, I took the long to get B's high, the one-time frame up. So did okay on that. I missed the IB high in D. Was waiting for it, and I missed it. Sometimes you just don't catch it. But I did do so well on some ebb and flow longs in D period. Afternoon was very light for me. I took a short in H to take out G's low to stop the one-time framing up, and then I was looking for an afternoon pullback. Problem was it didn't pull back enough for me. But that was the pullback. And then I took a long. The only other trade I took was L. Took a long when they filled the single prints in NQ and made some on that. So nothing, no great P&L day today, but it was okay. Again, after a period, I think we saw the market pretty well. This bull is refuses to yield. It really does. Now tomorrow, not only is it the last day of the month, you also have, it's the last, this is probably a big vacation week with Labor Day on Monday. So, again, I wouldn't expect heavy volume. You do have PCE out at 8:30. So we'll see what comes out of that. I'll recap all of these charts tomorrow. I don't think I've been around the last two Fridays to recap. So I will do that. Although last weekend, that's right, Saturday, I recapped everything. But I will recap all the charts tomorrow night. Here we are right now. So right now for the S&P, look at this. We're getting extension away from the last month. Look at this move from April's lows. 482 to 650. That's just incredible. I still think it would be healthy to get this monthly into balance. But right now the monthly is just chugging along. The weekly is now up. And so is the daily. So all systems go right now in ES. Now, the only thing with Qs and NQ is the weekly. ES finally broke out of their weekly balance high. NQ is not near it yet. They still have work to do. We'll see if they accomplish it tomorrow or next week. I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.